If you suffer migraines or headaches and interested in finding out how you can treat it through reflexology, then the big toe is the head region. So this is the right side of the head and this is the left side of the head. So a lot of migraines come up the back of the head, so you want to focus on the back of the big toe. And also this is the neck region. And what I've found over the years is working as a reflexologist and also with Indian head massage is that the base of the skull becomes very tight. So you really kind of want to break down the tightness in this region of the neck. Again, depending which side of the migraine, which side of the head the migraine comes up on. You might also want to then focus, this is the eye region here, and also if there's tension coming from the shoulders, you want to focus into the shoulders. So this is the right shoulder and this is the left shoulder. You might also want to work coming along here, which is the lymphatic system, just to help drain away some of the toxins as well. Also what you might find, there's a lot of tension coming up the back. So this is the spine. So this is around the shoulder blade region here. So maybe focusing coming down the spine and you'll then maybe pick up some tension on this region. So that's the foot charts. So if you wanted then maybe to do a little bit of self-help on yourself, then you could focus on working your own hands. So instead of the big toe, you'll work now the thumb, which again the top of that is the head, so you may feel quite tight here. The base of the thumb is the neck region, so again working quite deep to break down any nodules or crystals in this region. Again working maybe into the eyes, the lymphatic system here, and again working around the shoulder. You might want to also work down the spine just to ease any tension of the migraines coming from their back, and again to help relax, either working on yourself or working on somebody else, calm the system down again by working into the diaphragm and the solar plexus are here. So have a go of working it on your own hands, but if you feel you'd like more professional help, then get in contact for a reflexology treatment.